Good morning. I'm here to go through some of the basics of using Google Meet. If you are on your Chromebook, you can launch Google Meet by opening up your Google Chrome browser, going to your Google page, clicking on the waffle for apps, and choosing to launch Google Meet. Once you get to Google Meet, you will have the option to join or start a meeting. If you were to schedule a meeting in advance, you would see that option show up here where you could click on to that meeting and launch it. I find that recently, Google Meet and Google Classroom have integrated where you can generate a Google Meet link directly within your Google Classroom. And the way that you would do that is going to your gear setting, scroll down to where you see Google Meet, and if you have not generated a link yet, you will have an option to click and generate a Google Meet link. You will also have it where you can make it visible to students by toggling it on and saving it, and toggling it off when not in use and saving those settings. When not visible to your students, you will see that this icon right here shows that it's not visible to students. If you were to schedule a meeting this way, you can, on your stream, create a class announcement, communicate a schedule where your students can come to Google Classroom when it's time to have a Google Meet, and they will click on this link at that time and get into that meeting. They can also access the Google Meet link from their classwork page once you have it visible for students. They can access Google Meet for that day at that scheduled time when you've made this visible to them. I would recommend getting to the Google Meet, making your link visible, and joining the meeting prior to when you anticipate your students will be joining you. If you are not using Google Classroom and you wanted to schedule a meeting using Google Calendar, you can do so by going to your Google Calendar and setting up an event on the day that you want to schedule your meeting. So you can click on that date, and when the pop-up opens, you can name your event. If you're going to name it morning meeting, you can set the time that you want your meeting to start and then what time you want it to end. Where you see the little video camera, you can add conferencing and you can choose Google Meet. And if it isn't already set by default to your calendar for the district, you can go ahead and change it to whichever calendar you want to use. If you click on More Options, you will be able to write a description and change some of the event details here as well. Once your event has been saved, you will be able to go to that meeting and see your event details. If you hover your mouse, or if you're on a Chromebook, you can hover by using the trackpad. You can see that you are able to copy the conference link to a clipboard. So you can go ahead and click on that to copy, and then you can go to your Outlook to open up your email, and you can go ahead and paste that link into an email to notify your parents about the meeting. If you've scheduled the meeting through your calendar, once you're ready to launch the meeting, you can go to your Google Calendar, find the meeting event, to click on it, and you can go ahead and click on Join with Google Meet. You can decide how you're going to join. If you're going to present, have your camera on or off, and if you're going to keep your microphone on or off. There are also some other options that you can change before going into a meeting. If you click on the three little dots here, you can turn captions on right away and get to some of your other settings for your audio and your video. Once you're ready to join, you can join. You will notice there are some options here at the bottom where I have my microphone. I can end, leave the call, or I can activate or turn on my camera. If I wanted to get any of my meeting details, I can click on the link down here and I can get to the details of my meeting. I can copy the joining info if I needed to send it to anyone, and I would see any attachments if I were to attach anything for the meeting ahead of time. If I wanted to turn on captions for my students, I can click to turn these on. Now you will see on the bottom of my screen, if I needed to present my screen, I can click on Present Now. I will have an option to choose my entire screen, a singular window, or the Chrome tab. A Chrome tab has recently been added, and it really is the best for any videos or animations if you are going to be recording or showing students your any videos that have sound that would be coming from the device itself. The three little dots over here on the side will give you some more options for your meeting. From this menu, you can choose to record your meeting. You can change the layout of your meeting. One of the newer features is tiled, which will give you that grid view. You can also turn your captions on or off here. And if you wanted to go full screen, you can choose that as well. If you choose to record your meeting, it will be saved automatically to your Google Drive. And once it's done processing, you'll be able to share that recording with your students back to Google Classroom, or by simply sharing it using the share button. One of the features they're looking to roll out is the ability to view your students while you're presenting, as well as additional security features such as muting all microphones upon entry or once in a meeting. Those are some of the features that teachers do like when using Zoom. And as of now, there is no way to unmute or mute all the microphones at once. I would suggest that when you set up your morning meetings, that you provide an etiquette sheet for your students where they can join your meeting with instructions on muting their microphones upon entry, if that is something that is important to you. So if there is anything else that you wanted to know about Google Meet and I haven't gone over in this screencast, feel free to reach out to myself and or Lindsay, and we would be more than happy to help you get started. Thanks, and I hope you all stay well.